So here's how you can use dictation on iPad. Let's get started. If you're new on this channel, make sure you subscribe so you never miss anything important. So part of these settings, and then in the general section, you can find the keyboard, right? And this is where it gets interesting, of course, because this is where you set up every single keyboard language on all of those stuff, all of those things, right? So you can find here a dictation section with a button or a toggle for enabling dictation. So if you have that turned off, you can just do it like that. Click on enable and more things are going to appear, right? So you can pick the dictation language, which is kind of important to have, especially, if you want to dictate in some of your added languages. You can uncheck the others in here, whatever, but then you just have it set up. So in order to make it work, just go to the text field somewhere and you just need to look for the microphone icon, right? So it might be right next to the text field. It might be right on your keyboard. It depends on the UI in the app where you happen to be. But usually you can enable the dictation like that, and you can literally just start speaking into the iPad. The text should be recognized as long as you have the proper language selected, and you'll be able to see it right here being written down as an actual text with words, right? So that's how you can set it up. Well, of course, it's using the built-in methods. There are obviously some third-party tools which can get the job done as well. But, I find this to be working well. So let me know if it works for you too. Most definitely stay tuned by subscribing so you never miss anything important. And I'll see you later.